Sana'y di magmaliw ang dati kong araw nang munti pang bata sa piling ni nanay. Nais kong maulit ang awit ni inang mahal, awit ng pag-ibig habang ako'y nasa duyan. Sana'y di magmaliw ang dati.
Ako po si Ninito sa Mura. Ang mga anak ko po'y siya. Yung panganay ko po, 22 anyos na. Yung pangalawa, 21. Yung babae ko po, siyam taon. Tapos ho yung yung isa naman, yung 8 taon. Tapos sumunod to, ito. Tapos ito, 5 taon. Tapos ito, yun na nga, nagsunod-sunod na, wala na ako talaga kami bilhan. Kaya importante yung kinabukasan ng mga anak ko. Kasi kung wala akong family planning, siguro mga dalawa ng sunod nito.
Mayroong incoming delivery dyan from UNFPA.
Roger, kopya.
There's a great need, particularly amongst the poor. In the Philippines, what we see is that women that are better off, both in terms of education and in terms of financial resources, are able to have the number of children they want to have, whereas women not so well off are actually having more children than they want to have. And of course, we know all the problems often associated with that. The national government has not procured commodities for Filipinos in over 40 years. So it was really historic, both in terms of the willingness and, of the government to procure these commodities, but also because UNFPA was able to support them in this procurement in a way that's never been done before.
UNFPA is a good partner in reproductive health, not only because we are able to procure health goods from them that are quality, safe, and they arrive on time, but they also provide us technical assistance. For example, we want to estimate the needs. They come to us and provide us the necessary technical assistance to do this. That we have to make sure that access to vital services will be available to those who need them.
Dalawa lang ang anak ko, tapos yun, 8 years old yung panganay ko. Tapos yung pangalawa, 7 years old, nag-aaral sila ngayon sa ng grade 1 tsaka prep. Siguro na I need 4 kids ngayon kung walang family planning. Tapos hindi ko siguro na maasikaso yung mga anak ko sa pag-aaral kasi nga yun, trabaho, anak buhay, wala. Kung walang family planning.
Brothers and sisters, let us now give Dexter and Katrina jubilant applause as we welcome them into their new life as husband and wife. Dearly beloved,
it's about controlling your own life, controlling your own body. It's about human rights, and particularly for a young girl. I mean, what's more fundamental and more important than being able to control your own body? and also being able to determine what you want to do with your life and when.
Di pang bata sa piling ni nanay, nais kong maulit ang awit ni inang mahal, awit ng pag-ibig habang ako'y nasa duyan. Sana'y di magmaliw ang dati kong araw, nang munti pang bata sa piling ni nanay. Nais kong maulit ang awit ni inang mahal, awit ng pag-ibig habang ako'y nasa duyan. Sa aking pagtulog na labis ang himbing, ang bantay ko'y tala, ang tanod ko'y bituin sa piling ni nanay.